Be Wealthy and Smart, episode 1580.
Step into a world of wealth and financial freedom without budgets, boredom, or bosses on Be Wealthy and Smart. And now, here's your host, Linda P. Jones.
Welcome to Be Wealthy and Smart. I'm Linda P. Jones, America's Wealth Mentor, empowering women and men worldwide to financial freedom. On today's show, we're going to talk about why November is typically a good month. But first, let's talk about some things happening in November. As I've been reporting, earnings have been coming in excellent, and that's been lifting the stock market higher. In fact, in the last 6 months, the S&P has seen gains. A lot of that is due to technology stocks, and specifically the Magnificent Seven. Just today, Amazon supported that idea and was up more than 5% after the company reached a $38 billion deal with OpenAI. The partnership will utilize hundreds of thousands of NVIDIA's graphics processing units. And speaking of NVIDIA, it continued to move higher following Microsoft's announcement that it has secured export licenses from the Trump administration to ship NVIDIA's chips to the United Arab Emirates. The company added that its total UAE investment will amount to $15.2 billion by the end of 2029. But outside of technology stocks, little was gaining, as more than 400 stocks in the S&P 500 were trading lower. But nonetheless, stocks seem to be trending higher, driven in part by continued momentum in AI, as well as signs of easing trade tensions between the U.S. and China. More than 300 S&P 500 companies have posted third-quarter earnings so far, and over 80% have been above expectations with their earnings, according to FactSet. There's another 100 or more companies reporting this week, including AI names like Palantir and AMD. One reason why November looks good is seasonally, it tends to be a positive month. The Trader's Almanac shows the S&P 500 averages a 1.8% gain in November, making it the strongest month historically for the S&P. It's already been a strong year with the Nasdaq up 23.59% year-to-date, the S&P up 16.38%, and the Dow Jones up 11.27%. But the real strength has been in the gold mining stocks. The large gold mining stocks, GDX ETF, is up 112% for the year, while the junior mining stocks are up 118.95%, and the junior silver miners are up 126.89%. That's after silver's up 65.88%, and gold is up 52.92%. And as we look at the sentiment indicators, we're still in a state of relative fear. So could we hit that 1.8% average return in November? I think we can, and even have room for more. If you haven't yet subscribed to Be Wealthy and Smart, hit the subscribe button and you'll be notified as soon as new podcasts are available. And all of my podcasts are on my website at lindapjones.com/podcasts. And while you're there, sign up for my weekly newsletter for more wealth tips for your financial freedom. That's all for today. Until next time, live the good life and be wealthy and smart.
Thank you for listening to Be Wealthy and Smart with Linda P. Jones. Share the wealth and tell your family and friends about the show. Check out our website, blog, and social media for more riches at www.bewealthyandsmart.com.